just going to do some quick things to get this set up. We did a video where we're just installing Proxmox. I'm just going to do some stuff that I like to get done after installing it, getting all ready so I can just do virtual machines and all that. So first things first, I want to change a disk. So I'm going that. I want to go through. I want to expand a storage. So I want, what is it? I want local lvrem. Let's remove. Yes. Then we're going to go back into care. We're going to shell. Most of the stuff to remove stuff. So remove local lvrem. I did that. Let's see. See if I remember my notes. We're going to remove that because we did remove it from the user interface, but we need to also do it here. Don't worry, I'm going to put all of my notes in the bottom of the video if I remember. This is just going to expand the volume. Last one is going to resize it. So essentially what that does there is, by default, this is where all the ISOs and templates live. Normally you don't get the full storage of the device. It splits it into 2 drives and you really don't get that much on the boot drive. This just essentially gives me access to the entirety of the main drive. So if I want to put like virtual machines and I only have 1 hard drive, you can do it this way. I'm going to be also adding an NFS share, which will be an even bigger network drive where I'm going to have a lot of my virtual machines. Let's see, what else do I want to do? We're going to go back to care. I want to update my container templates, because by default sometimes if I go here and I want to look at my templates and I want to check templates, sometimes not all of them show up. So we're going to pull an update for that real quick. We're just going to pveam update. Essentially all that does is it refreshes. So if you've installed Proxmox and these container templates are just not showing up, running that is going to bring most of them up here. Let's go back to care. Next thing we're going to do is I want to enable IOMMU so I can pass graphics cards or other devices to Proxmox. So we're going to do that real quick. We're going to go to this location right here. And we are going to change this right here. So we're going to go down. I like to use my arrow keys. I'm going to copy, and I'm just going to see if it'll let me just delete everything there or not. Control V or not. Control Z. No, I don't want to do any of that, because I want to put that up there. I want to paste it right here. Alrighty. Now let's try it. There we go. So now we can go. We're going to modify that. Then we're going to go here, we're going to add a huge list of blacklisted devices. If you can hear in the background, everybody in the house is wanting to get dinner. So I'm just trying to speed this up as fast as I can. I'm just going to paste that on in there. And of course, we can save. We're going to update grub once more. While that's going on, a few things I like to do as well is I run a few Proxmox helper scripts. I'm going to do those real quick. I'm just going to click yes on pretty much everything. I don't plan on using it in a cluster anytime soon. If I do, I can just turn things on. Sure, yes. Let's see. I don't need high availability, it's just going to be one single thing. Last thing is last. Do I want to update it right now? Not right now. Not right now. I'm going to change. Let's see, this is for microcode. Let's update our microcode real quick before I go get dinner. This is just going to make sure that I am on the most updated microcode for my CPU. Let's see, I want 40531. Let's just say I want the most updated version possible. We'll click tab, okay. In order to apply changes, system will reboot. I don't need to reboot right now. I'm just going to do some quick updates, refresh. I'm going to go message them real quick. Out in like a few minutes. God. Close that. We're going to upgrade it. Make sure it's totally up to date. It'll pop up a little message right here. Let's see. Yes, I know it's not fully up to date. Where's the one that says I want to update? I want to upgrade. Refresh. I might need to restart because I didn't restart it like I should have. I'm trying to speed through it because everybody wants to rush me. And it is annoying. So we're just going to reboot and wait for it to pop back up. Let's refresh here if it's popping back up. It's still rebooting. Alrighty. let's see if it lets me update now. Doing a lot of things out of order because I'm trying to get out the door because nobody can wait. Nobody can wait for some reason. I don't know why. Alrighty, now let's see if it'll let me do things. Upgrade. There we go. Now I can upgrade. Just a lot of updating. It really doesn't take much to get it to where I like it. It's just annoying to be rushed right now because they're trying to get me into the car so I can get dinner. And I'm really trying to finish it off, but just annoying. It's going to want a reboot, but we're going to refresh once more, see if there's anything else. Everything is there. Let's add some storage. I want to add my NFS share. Let's see, that was that ID, we'll call it NFS. Let's see if it finds it. We labeled it care limit, so we want the care limit one. We want, hold down shift. I'm going to give it all of those. And I'm going to add it. Should show up right here. Got my NFS share, local share. My NFS is just a few terabytes. It's pretty much where all my VMs are going to live. Local, some of my VMs will live here. Main node. I think that is about it. We're just going to refresh one last time, make sure everything is up to date. And we shall reboot. I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to go get dinner. Hopefully this video is helpful. I will leave my notes in the description when I upload it to YouTube. Bye.